All right, good morning, guys. So this is what I'm trying to get you guys to see, right? So it's a crash course document. It says basically everything you're going to need to know for my class. So I'm Miss Menendez, your English language arts teacher. This year is going to be a little of a learning curve for us all, which means I'm going to try my best to create a one-stop shop document for everything you might need in order to survive this school year. I'll be sending out links to these one-stop shop documents as often as I can in order to keep you guys in the loop with everything that is going on. So what I'm saying here is this document, I'm just going to keep adding to it. I'm going to make sure that this document continues to grow with whatever is going on, right? So this first document up here is my welcome video. So it's just a little getting to know you activity, like what you see, like everything that you might be curious about or whatever. So you'll click on that and you'll see the video. This is the day one don't freak out video. So the second video is me basically telling you not to freak out, because we know that there's going to be technical difficulties, and that's just, it is what it is. Right now, unfortunately, that's where we're at. So I'm just telling you here, like, sometimes you just gotta laugh. Like, sometimes it sounds so crazy, but you just gotta roll with it, right? So this is also my syllabus for the year. You're gonna see the syllabus, click on that, go through it so that you know what my expectations are. Some of the things apply to our classroom, and some of the things are going to apply to, our online learning. But this is basically how I run my class every year, and this is what you're going to expect of me and what I can expect of you, right? So it's tentative, which means it's ever growing and it's ever changing. Now that we have all that out of the way, I will be posting frequently on my YouTube page to keep you guys up to date with what's going on. So I suggest, I know it sounds silly, I know it's not like exactly what we're used to, but I suggest you follow that page, because that's where I'm going to be posting all of these videos, and that's how I'm going to be basically communicating with you guys when the K-12 platform is not, is out of commission or whatever. That's also like where you're going to be able to repeat my videos, and anything that like I teach you guys, I'll have my lessons up there so you can just like rewatch them if you're struggling with it, or if you didn't understand something, or if you just want to be able to repeat whatever I'm saying, right? So now let's go and continue. Like I said, my Google Drive and my YouTube account are going to be my two repeat programs. Like, those are the two programs that I know without fail will always work for you. So the Google Drive account, which is this Word document, I sent it to you guys. It's on the K-12 platform. It's also in the, every time like we log in together, I will resend this document. But what I suggest you do is that you go up to the top of your screen and you create a bookmark. You bookmark this tab. So like bookmark it to this tab, right? And you just keep it handy, because this is the one that is going to be ever growing. Every time I add something new, or like it's a new day and I add some more information, you're going to see like the lines at the bottom, which show like a division. So you'll see this division here, and that means that there's something new, right? The next division is whatever's new. This is my Zoom code. And obviously, like, if K-12 isn't working, I suggest you go through there. I'll kick somebody out if they're acting, wacky, or if they don't belong there or whatever. I'll make sure. But at least it's the redundancy plan for our class. So you will always be able to reach me on my Zoom account. Let me show you that I always have it open. So I always have it open here. It's on my iPad, and that's just going to be the redundancy. If you can't log into the K-12 platform, my Zoom is always open. So there we'll chat or whatever if you can't have no other way of communicating with me, right? So now we'll scroll down some more. And then this is what we're going to be working on this week. So on Friday of this week, which is the 4th, so September 4th is when this is due. I know it's very difficult to log in and sometimes you're going to have trouble seeing it or whatever, but just log in. This link is going to take you to the PowerPoint presentation that basically walks you through how to log into that K-12 platform. All right. And well, to the K-12 platform and the training, right? So that's what you're going to be working on there. And basically for the rest of my class period, if for whatever reason we can't communicate or whatever, that's what we're going to be working on this week. So we're just doing a little, getting to know you. I want you guys to see these videos. I want you to get used to how I communicate with you. And then I want you to have time to complete this because it is a 20-hour course and it is graded and it's due on Friday. So that means you have 4 days to complete 20 hours. And I don't want you guys to be working on this after school because you're doing enough sitting in front of the computer. Okay? So if you guys have any questions or comments or concerns, just let me know. Either email me. I give you all my information. And have a good Tuesday. Bye, guys.